Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to log in Metamask. So the first step is download the Metamask extension. For example, in this case, I download the Metamask extension and I create my account. So after that, you got the portfolio of Metamask, the dashboard. So what happens here? I for show you the process, I go to delete the historial of the app, and I show you what you need to do for create an account and log in with the page. So I go to delete the story of the page, and the only thing you need to do, if is the first time, you need to right here typing Metamask. You need to search Metamask. And in this part, you need to go to the Metamask, download Metamask today. You need to put here, and you can download the extension. And after that, you need to create an account with your password. The only thing they need to do is you create a password for this portfolio. So after that, you need to go to the principal page of Metamask, and after that, you need to pick in View Portfolio. So in this part, in View Portfolio, you need to you wait for a few minutes. And in the portfolio, they need you connect your Metamask. So you pick here in the blue button of Connect Metamask. And when you got your account created, the only thing you need to do is pick in Next. You pick in Connect, and that's it. You connect your account of Metamask, and you got your Metamask. If you want close this Metamask, the only thing you need to do is delete the story, like I do. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.